Hi, it's Sandra, and it's time to do my giveaway. So this month, for the month of March, I'm going to give 2 Maniology plates away. And this one, even though the blue film's off, it was never used. It had just, the blue film was kind of half off when I got it, and I just ripped it off. So this is Maniology M336. So you're going to get this plate, whoever wins. And it's got the just the lines and the textures so that you can make different patterns on your nails. And then the second one is this one. And this is called Bombshell Baby, and this is XL359. So it's got quite of different things to put on here. It's mostly animal. Got some animal prints and things on here, and looks like some giraffes and a lion and a zebra and just a whole bunch of cool things, some feathers. So those are the 2 plates that I'm giving away for my giveaway. So I will pick a winner on Friday, the 24th. And all I ask is that you be a subscriber and put in the comments, enter me. And on the 24th, I will draw a winner, or the 25th probably. And then I will mail these out. If whoever wins, they need to email me at nailstampology@gmail.com with their address, and I will mail this out. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.